So welcome everyone to Sadaiva classes. You are in standard 4 and we have started your mathematics of standard 4. This is the textbook you are seeing now. We have this is the second lecture we are going to take today. The first lecture we have already seen yesterday. So let's have a recap. चला काय काय शिकलो आपण पाहूया कालच्या लेसन मध्ये आपण काय शिकलो आपण आपण ते पाहतो काल शिकलो कालच्या लेसन मध्ये आपण काल काय पाहिलं तो वी हॅव सीन टाइप्स ऑफ अँगल्स अँड टाइप्स ऑफ अँगल्स. Okay, we have seen angles, types of angles. So we have seen three types of angles. आपण तीन प्रकार पाहिले कोणाचे. Three types of angles: right angle, acute angle, and an obtuse angle. Right angle, acute angle, and an obtuse angle. Now the next thing we are going to see the circle. Next thing काय शिकायचं आपल्याला circle. What we are going to see the circle. Circle you know very well, and you are very familiar with the circle. You are very familiar with the circle. You might have seen the bangle, so you must have seen. Okay, so you might have seen the bangle. Another example is a wheel of a bicycle, then a cart wheel, घोडा गाडीचं चाक बघा, सायकलचं चाक, बांगडी. So these are all circular, and therefore they are of the shape circular shape मध्ये आहेत, and they are known as circles. So what are the important things to learn in a circle are given to you. They are center, radius, diameter, and chord. They are center, radius, diameter, and chord. Let's see one by one. If you draw a circle, if you draw a circle, if you draw a circle of any measure, then and in that circle, if you draw a line across the circle, see this is the line. It is known as chord. It is known as chord. If the line passes through the center of the circle, if the line passes through the center of the circle, then it is known as diameter. त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण diameter. Okay, we have seen 2 points. Then the point from which we are drawing a circle, हा जो middle point असतो ना जिथून circle काढतो, that is known as the center of the circle. And what remains is the radius. What remains is the radius. So what is the radius? We'll see ahead. The diameter 2 is a chord of the circle, and see the radius. This is the radius. This is the radius, and this is the center. Center. This is the middle point. Middle point distoy. This is the center, and this is your radius. This is our radius. Okay. So we have seen four things in a circle. Important things in a circle: center, radius, diameter, and chord. You can draw a circle using compass. See, in your compass box, there is an instrument known as compass. Okay, here's a compass instrument. You can measure, you can take, you can attach pencil, and you can draw a circle. तुम्ही हे already केलेलं आहे. Now, if you draw a circle, the four main parts we have seen. So let's see the example. Let's see the example. Okay, I'll write the answer here. Now, question number 1 is what? It is center. It is center is given to you. Second thing is that this is your chord. This is your chord. CHORD chord. Then, okay. Second is chord. Third is what? It is a diameter. Third is what? It is a diameter. Third is diameter. DIAMETR, right? Then diameter, and the fourth one is radius. Fourth one is radius. Fourth one is the radius. See, these are the example. Again, repeat karto baga me. Again, I am repeating. First one is the center. First one is the center. Second one is the chord. CHORD chord. Then third one is the diameter. DIAMETER. And the fourth one is the radius. Fourth one is the radius. Okay, so you are cleared with the subject. You are cleared with the points. तुम्हाला कळलं याच्यामध्ये चार मुद्दे महत्त्वाचे आहेत. पुढे आपण शिकूया जॉमेट्रिकल फिगर्स, वर्टेक्स अँड साइड. काय शिकूया आपण? जॉमेट्रिकल फिगर्स, वर्टेक्स अँड साइड. वर्टेक्स अँड साइड आपण शिकणार आहोत. नाव सी. बघा, the first figure is rectangle, second figure is square, and third figure is ट्रायंगल. बरोबर की नाही? आपण त्याच्यात नाव लिहूया. फर्स्ट फिगर इज रेक्टँगल. फर्स्ट फिगर इज rectangle. Okay, then second figure is square. Good. Then third figure is triangle. Third figure is triangle. Okay, so we have seen these three figures: rectangle, square and triangle. Next question is what? Next, what you are asked? काय विचारलं बघा पुढे तुम्हाला तर name of the sides. Name of sides. So sorry, number of sides. So there are four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are four sides. How many sides are there? There are four sides. In square, there are also four sides. Side number 1, side number 2, side number 3, and side number 4. And in triangle, there are three sides. Side number 1, side number 2, and this is the side number 3. Okay, so let's write answers here. FOUR 4, and here also answer is FOUR 4. Getting? Then what is asked? Number of corners. What is asked? Number of corners. Number of corners. See, how many corners are there? Let's see. Okay, let's see number of corners. How many corners are there? किती corner आहेत बघा याच्यामध्ये? If you see, there are four corners. Number of corners, there are four corners. Here, 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you see the square, there are also four corners. If you the square, there are also four corners. Corner number 1, corner number 2, corner number 3, and corner number 4. Okay, here by mistake it is not 4, it is 3. Okay, it is 3. Mistake or typing mistake is there. Typing mistake झाली बघा इथे. So it is 3. And if you see this one, the triangle, there are three sides, three corners. 1, 2, and here 3. So here answer is 3. THREE 3. And here answer is 4. FOUR 4. Here answer is 4. FOUR. Your answer is 4. FOUR 4. So getting guys, so this is your geometrical figure, vertex and side. You have something more to read. तुम्हाला अजून काही महत्त्वाचं बघा. What is rectangle? You have to say what is rectangle. काय बर rectangle? What is rectangle? So this is a rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. How many sides are there? Four sides. That is four edges. This is number 1, number 2. Example तुमच्या पुस्तक आहे बघा. पुस्तक म्हणा, वही म्हणा, तुमच्या हातातील compass box. So four sides. And the point where the side meet is known as vertex. And there are four vertex. Okay. Vertex A, B, C, and D. These are the four vertex. These are the four vertices and four vertex. In the figure, ABC are the vertices. Vertex is singular and vertices plural. Now there are four sides: AB, BC, CD, and AD. These are the sides. Now what is the property? The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal length. ठीक आहे, अपोजिट साइड कसे असतात? इक्वल लेंथ. समोर समोरील ज्या बाजू असतात ना, बघा. So AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. All angles of a rectangle are right angle. All angles are right angle. All angles are right angle. लक्ष द्या. All angles are right angle means here it is 90 degree. Here also it is 90 degree. Angle C is also 90 degree. Angle B is also 90 degree. A rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. Rectangle को क्या कहते हैं? क्या म्हणतो आपण त्याला? A right angled quadrilateral. Similarly, we have to see the square. काय असतं बघा square and triangle. What is the square and the triangle? So if you see the square, a square has four vertices and four sides, similar to the rectangle. Rectangle सारखंच असतं, but the difference is what? Here, rectangle मध्ये opposite sides are equal in length, but here all the sides, see, here all the sides of a square are of equal length. तुम्ही तुमची जी वही बघितली, गणिताची वही असते बघा, आपली गणिताची वही, त्याच्यामध्ये चौकोन चौकोन असतात. पहिली, दुसरी, तिसरी पर्यंत तुम्ही शिकलात. आता मला वाटतं नसेल चौथीला. तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे असतात तसं चौको चौकोन बघा, ते दे आर ऑल स्क्वेअर. हे काय असं तुमचे स्क्वेअर असतात. दे आर ऑल युअर स्क्वेअर्स. देन and all its angles are right angle. इथे पण सगळे angles right angle बघा. All its angles are right angle here. They are of measure 90. Okay. And finally, we have to see the triangle. Finally, we have to see the triangle. So what is triangle? See, a triangle has three vertices. How many vertices? Three. Y, then you have R, and then you have L. Three vertices, Y, R, L. As well as there are three sides, Y, R, R, L, and Y, L. These are three sides. Side number 1, side number 2, and here is side number 3. Three sides. A triangle has three angles. There are three angles. So the angles are here. This is angle number 1. This is angle number 2. And here it is angle number 3. Getting? So on the basis of these geometrical figures, we have to find out, or we have to answer some of the questions. Here are some questions to given to us. Now we will solve questions one by one. Okay, chalo. Name of the side. Question number 1, you have given a triangle. Name of the side. There are three sides. AB. Here, this is the one. AB is AB. Second is BC, and third is AC. Okay. So we'll write answer here. No. Side BC. Then we'll write answer side AC. AC. Okay. So side BC and side AC are the answers. Here, name of the vertices. There are three vertices. Point A, point B, and point C. Point A, point B, and point C. Point A, point B, and point C. Let's write answer again. Here, we'll write side AB. Then you have to write side BC. Then you have to write side AC. Okay, there are three sides. As well as name of the vertices. There are three vertices. Point. This is vertex A, vertex B, and vertex C. So here it is A, B, and C. A, B, and C. किती आले तुम्हाला? A, B, and C. Similarly, here a rectangle is given to you, and there are four sides. Side PQ, then side QR. Here, second you have to write side QR. Third, you have to write side SR. Right here, side SR. And fourth one is right PS. So fourth, you have to write side PS. And there are four vertices. किती vertex आहेत रे? Four. There are four vertices. P, Q, R and S. माझा नीट येणार नाहीये मला टायपिंग करताना. मी लॅपटॉपवर शिकवतोय, तुम्हाला नीट आलं पाहिजे. And finally, if you see the square, there are also four sides. Side LM1, then here side 2 is your side MN, side 3 is ON, and side fourth is LO. And 4 points are L, M, N, and O. Okay. So in this way, we have seen your first chapter. We have completed your first chapter. That is known as some of the basic geometrical figures. So second chapter will start afterwards. So here we have completed your first chapter known as the geometrical figures. Wait, guys. Okay, so geometrical figures we have seen here. Geometrical figures. So what we have seen. So let's have a recap. Here. Okay, let's have a recap here. Wait. So we have seen a right angle. Then we have seen an acute angle. Then we have seen an obtuse angle. Then we have seen vertex and side. vertex, just a minute, spelling mistake. Then we have seen vertex and side. We have also seen rectangle, then we have seen square, then we have seen triangle. Before that we have seen circle. In the circle we have seen center of the circle. Then we have seen radius of the circle. Then we have seen chord and diameter. Okay, so these are the things we have seen in this chapter. So हे सगळं आपण शिकलो याच्यामध्ये. लेट्स डू द स्टडी, अभ्यास करा अँड सेंड मी द आन्सर. जेवढे जेवढे आन्सर आपण घेतो सगळे आन्सर मला पाठवून द्या. सो बाय, वी विल मीट टुमॉरो विथ द नेक्स्ट स्टडी व्हिडिओ. अँड चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या. दॅट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. ओके, सो बाय एव्हरीवन, हॅव अ गुड डे.